Are you looking for top-notch 3D scanning services in Mahipalpur, Delhi NCR? Look no further than Scon Design India Pvt Ltd. With their cutting-edge technology and expertise in the field, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is the go-to destination for all your scanning needs. From small objects to large-scale projects, their team of skilled professionals will ensure that every detail is captured with precision and accuracy. Whether you are in the architecture, manufacturing, or entertainment industry, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has got you covered. What sets Scon Design India Pvt Ltd apart from its competitors is their commitment to delivering high-quality results. They understand the importance of accuracy and attention to detail in 3D scanning, and they strive to exceed their clients' expectations every time. With their state-of-the-art equipment and advanced software, they can capture even the most intricate details of any object or space. Whether it's for product design, reverse engineering, or virtual reality applications, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has the expertise to handle it all. Another reason to choose Scon Design India Pvt Ltd for your 3D scanning needs is their extensive experience in the industry. With years of experience under their belt, they have worked on countless projects and have honed their skills to perfection. They understand the unique challenges that come with 3D scanning and are well equipped to tackle them head-on. Whether it's a complex architectural structure or a delicate piece of artwork, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has the knowledge and expertise to handle it with utmost care and precision. Moreover, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd takes pride in providing excellent customer service. They believe in building long-lasting relationships with their clients and ensure that every project is completed to their satisfaction. Are you looking for top-notch 3D scanning services in Mahipalpur, Delhi NCR? Look no further because Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has got you covered. With their state-of-the-art technology and expertise in 3D scanning, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is revolutionizing the way we create and replicate objects in the digital world. Whether you need 3D scanning services for architectural purposes, product design, or even for creating lifelike characters for animation, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is the name you can trust. With Scon Design India Pvt Ltd's 3D scanning services, you can bring your ideas to life like never before. Their advanced scanning technology captures every intricate detail of an object, ensuring a precise and accurate representation in the digital form. Whether it's a small object or a large-scale project, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has the capability to handle it all. Their team of skilled professionals utilizes cutting-edge equipment and software to deliver exceptional results that will exceed your expectations. One of the key advantages of choosing Scon Design India Pvt Ltd for your 3D scanning needs is their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. They understand the importance of delivering high-quality scans that meet the requirements of their clients. From start to finish, their dedicated team ensures that every step of the scanning process is executed with precision and attention